In roofing jargon, what is a square?
A square is, in roofing jargon, is 100 square feet. A 10 by 10 section is a square. But the vernacular is we we refer to squares as like a square of shingles. Well, that
Hmm.
the square of shingles would be like 4 bundles or 3 bundles or whatever. But that material that we refer to as a square, that's the 3 bundles, is will cover 100 square feet.
All right. Well, that's a lot. How do you install shingles?
The shingle fashion is just a term where one goes over another, and so that the water runs from one shingle to another. And so obviously you start at the bottom and work to the top and do all the flashing and work that comes to you as you're going up the roof. Normally the shingles are attached with nails, and there's a specified number of nails that go in each shingle, and there's a specified place to put the nail and so forth. So it's kind of a repetitious thing as you're applying the shingles.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. So, why are roofing sheets corrugated?
Several reasons. One reason, the corrugated metal has a lot more strength because it has the if you just put a section of sheet metal up there, there wouldn't be anything to hold it. You'd have
Mm.
to put a sheet underneath it. Uh, but with corrugated, you can span long distances, and the corrugated metal will hold up. And the other thing is the corrugation uh, keeps it more waterproof because it allows channels for the water to run off of the corrugated metal.
Okay. Wow. Well, it's a good thing they have those channels, right? Otherwise, that water would be stuck. But where can we buy roofing materials as a homeowner?
All of the major uh, home outlet places, like Home Depot,
Mhm.
Lowe's, uh, all the major suppliers, and the independent suppliers do a good job too. Like the lumber yards and such as that.
Mhm.
Most carry uh, an array of shingles and shakes and wood and rolled goods and such as that, so that you can take care of just about any job that comes up.
What type of roofing material is most energy efficient?
They're constantly working on energy efficient material. The manufacturers, especially the asphalt manufacturers, are really into that. They keep working on it, and there's an association that monitors the efficiency of shingles. They do testing and such as that. Cool Roof Rating Council. They actually do testing on shingles, and they rate it and give it a grade, so that when you buy the shingles, it's marked on the bundle that it's rated A or whatever it's rated by the Cool Roofing Rating Council, which is a real plus. And it's not necessary, like in California, you don't. It's not necessary to have that uh, cool roof every place, but in most places, in like in Southern California, most places it's required to have the rating, that cool roof rating.